Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by verifying your Apple ID sign-in and payment details before troubleshooting other settings. Open Settings and tap your name to confirm sign-in and payment methods. Next, verify that device time is set automatically. Wrong time breaks secure connections. Check Wi-Fi or cellular data is active and working. Try a web page to confirm. Finally, visit Apple System Status and confirm App Store and iTunes are operational at this time. If any of these checks fail, fix them first before deeper troubleshooting steps. Begin quick fixes by restarting your iPhone and router to refresh connections. Unplug the router for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Restarting the iPhone often clears temporary system glitches that block the App Store. Sign out of the App Store in Settings, then sign back in using your Apple ID to re-authenticate purchases. If problems persist, update iOS to the latest version, such as iOS 17, because software updates often fix network and App Store bugs. For deeper network issues, reset network settings to clear caches and corrupt entries. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have credentials ready. You can also change DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 in Wi-Fi settings for faster and more reliable lookups. Disable any VPN or proxy apps that may block App Store connections and then retry downloads. As a last resort, backup your device and restore it using iCloud or iTunes to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.